All right, we have this problem here. Now, this one's kind of weird because it has such all these large numbers. You won't see one like this on the problem set or the quiz, but I will show you how to do it. First thing you're going to want to do is find the range. That's always the first step. So I'm going to take the largest number. This is kind of a pain in the butt part. Let's see here. 20, it looks like 25,500 minus the smallest value, 16,700. Looks like 16,700. So when I subtract those, I think you get, oops, 25,500 minus 16,700, 8,800. And you were right. You're going to take that number and divide it by 10 because I want 10 classes. Is 880. And you were right again. Let's round that up to the next nice number. So my class width is going to equal 1,000. Now, the thing to remember here is it says each class contains its lower class limit, and the lower class limit should be multiples of the class width. So I'm going to start my first class at the next number below my lowest value. That's a multiple of my class width. So if my lowest value is 16,700 and my class width is 1,000, I need to find the next number below this that's a multiple of 1,000. Well, that's going to be 16,000. Which means if each class has a size of 1,000, the next class is going to start at 17,000. And that means the next class is going to start at 18,000. And so on and so forth. So if this class goes from 16,000 to 17,000, that means this is going to go up to 16,999. Right? That's what you would think. But since all the data here is in multiples of 100, I don't really like this, but the computer wants you to write this as, because there is no value of 16,999, this is just going to go from 16,000 to 16,900. This is going to go from 17,000 to 17,900, 18,000 to 18,900. You'll see in some of the other videos on the YouTube channel that if it's not using these big numbers with all these zeros, if this was just 160 to 170, 170 to 180, this would go from 160 to 169. This would go from 170 to 179. So you would actually use all the values. The only time we add these zeros here is for problems that have these large data values.